Hey, 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 everybody. Welcome to Ivy and Juke Creations. If you're new here, my name is Kim, and I'm so glad you're here. All right, y'all, I picked this piece of this shelf sitter up at my local pharmacy the other day, which also has like a gift shop, a boutique, whatever. And y'all see that sticker on it? $13.99 for a scrap piece of 2x4, y'all. But I got it for $1. And then look at this mold, y'all. Ginger and spice. If you have not made your order yet, please look in the description box, in my description box under this video, or the pinned comment, and I will have a link where you can get your IOD supplies, all the new releases. There you can also will be able to purchase Pentart supplies, Roycycled, and all that. But anyway, after I molded them and demolded them, here the resin is not hard yet, y'all. It's still soft. And I'm taking my craft knife and I'm cutting chunks of his leg out. And in the last video, I noticed we picked up some new subscribers, so I might feel led to say this again. But right here, I'm just playing with placement, y'all. I struggle with placement. I have OCD, then I second guess myself. Then I doubt myself, and then it don't like perfection, and it's crazy. So it takes me hours and hours to get the final details, the placement down, embellishments, and the final details. So you'll see that as you watch more of Ivy and Juke videos. But anyway, then I took apple barrel paint in the color nutmeg, and I'm painting my little gingerbread man. And right there, he's the right shade. In other words, when you see in a minute, you'll see that I put a second coat on him, and it looked like I burnt my gingerbread. And so I'm going to have to find some more paint that's not going to be so dark. But anyhow, and then here I'm using Waverly's Crimson to paint his overalls. And just trying to get down in all those little details. How many of y'all actually like gingerbread? I do, with some a glass of milk. Oh gosh, that's so good. And here I'm just painting my peppermint candy and my candy cane. And here I've got just this little tiny floss tool thing that I'm trying to use for these little small details. And that's hard, y'all, because my eyes was playing tricks on me. And then I just dipped the end of my paintbrush into some paint and done on his eyes. And then I decided that this thing needed to be white instead of off-white. And then I'm just going, now that my peppermint candy and all that's dry, I'm taking a sponge brush and I'm just kind of, dry brushing some white on the candy cane and peppermint candy. And then I'm dry brushing on the overalls. And this is what I come up with. Oh, snap. And I'm telling y'all better get your hands on this IOD new release, y'all. This has been my favorite one. This is my second Christmas being, with loving IOD products. And out of their spring, their fall, whatever release they've ever had, I have to say this is my favorite one, y'all. But anyway, I used, not letterpress, but, it's the stamps, the letters with IOD. But I didn't like the way it stamped out. So now I'm just taking a paint pen and going over it. I got sidetracked, y'all, because I seen my do-rag around my head. It's still hot in my building, y'all. And so I done had to break out and start making me some sweat rags, like do-rags, to go over my head. And I just noticed that some of it was left in the video. Now I'm embarrassed. But anyhow, right here, y'all see me going over it with DIY Big Top. I'm going to seal it in. That way, my paint don't run and all that. And it was giving me a booger, y'all. I didn't know what to do with it. It looked so simple, but then it looked plain, and I ended up messing it up, really. But it's inspiration for y'all anyway. Y'all can take what y'all see me do and then go put your own twist on it and make y'all's look a little bit better. In other words, I make the mistake so you don't have to. And so once I sealed it, now I'm going over it with DIY Dark Wax. And then that really did make my gingerbread look burnt. And I really don't know how to like go back and lighten it up. So this one here is probably like going to be a trashed project. But here it is. This, like I said, it's just inspiration for y'all. Take what I did and now y'all go do something and make it even more prettier. I hope y'all like it. Let me know if y'all do. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share. I love y'all. Bye.